Dictator door dampers put an end to slamming doors. The door damper model V1600 features a covered cylinder. Certain models of the V1600 can also be installed on fire doors. Prior to this, it must be checked whether installation on the particular door is authorized. The V1600 is available in different finishes as well as in stainless steel. Depending on the door and installation position, there are door dampers with different spring forces. 3 different hooks allow the use on flush, overlapping or recessed doors. More information on all Dictator products is available at www.dictator.com.